Chase your own tail, idiom. Imagine you have a playful puppy that's constantly running in circles, trying to catch its own tail. It never succeeds, but it sure spends a lot of energy trying. This visual is the perfect way to understand the idiom chase your own tail. This expression means to engage in an activity that is repetitive, unproductive, and often frustrating, much like that puppy never quite managing to catch its tail. Here are a couple of simple examples. She spent hours trying to fix the old computer, but she was just chasing her own tail. I feel like I'm chasing my own tail trying to balance work, family, and personal projects. To help remember this idiom, think of any moments in your life when you were stuck in a loop of unproductive actions, trying to solve a problem but just going in circles. Visualizing that playful puppy endlessly chasing its tail can make this idiom stick with you. I hope this paints a clear picture of the idiom chase your own tail. I loved having you here. Talk to you again soon.